we have done a whole bunch of videos about all the new features here in the new Outlook. They're only 1 minute each and they're sent directly to your inbox. Let me show you how they look by also showing you how you can switch to the new Outlook and return again. I now want to show you how you can switch to the new Outlook. You simply toggle the upper right corner, try the new Outlook switch, and the new Outlook will open for you. If you want to go back, you just simply toggle again. It will ask you for some feedback, but you can just choose to skip it down here at the bottom. And you're back in the surroundings that you know. Now that was an example of how short and precise our videos are. If you sign up below, you will immediately receive the first tip in your inbox. And after that, you'll receive 1 video per week. And that's a good way to learn. See you!